As I've said several times in my previous videos, the best way to make any woman chase you is by making her constantly think about you, even when you are not around. If you haven't watched the previous parts of this video, then click the I button over the top right corner. A woman's mind is wired differently. That's the reason why women need to be approached in a different way. In order to make a woman think about you constantly, you need to be aware of a few situations and circumstances that let that happen. So today in this video I am going to tell you a few such traits. And keep in mind that everything is not going to be perfect on your first attempt. The secret behind every successful player is not giving up in the beginning. Even if you fail initially, don't give up just because you failed. Never giving up is also a very attractive trait. Keep this in mind. So, here's what you've got to do. Number 1. Ask questions to bring up her emotions. Most men don't even know how to interact with a woman on their date. The failure rate is significantly going to be very high when you go into an interview mode. Yes, most men asked questions as if they were in an interview. Asking questions like, "Where are you from? What do you do? What's your favorite color?" and so on. These types of questions are not going to get you anything interesting from that woman. To be honest, the best relationships are based on emotional connections. Let me ask you a question. If you ask any of these questions, do you think that woman is going to feel any emotional connection with you? Absolutely not. Questions that you ask should bring up emotional feelings within her. Ask her about her future goals, or ask her about the destinations that best describe what she is. These types of questions bring up emotions from within her and build up good intentions for you. The best part of asking such questions is also letting her know you are a good listener. Being a good listener is also one of the best qualities an attractive man can ever possess. Once you guys are done with your date, the woman is continuously going to think about the best parts of the date, where you are completely in her thoughts. This makes her constantly think about you, and constantly dream about your second date. Number 2. Connect with her friends. How many of you know that women give more priority to their friends than their 2 to 3 months old relationship? Yes, women take a lot of time to give the utmost priority to their relationship. Initially in a relationship, women give utmost priority to their friends. Did you even know that women speak about their inner feelings about a man with their closest friends? So, it is really very important to maintain your image both in front of your crush, as well as her friends. Friends play a major role in a woman's life. If you don't make a good image in her friends, then I can say that you have ruined almost 70% of your chances of getting that woman. To make a girl always think about you, you have to be in the good books of the people she cares about most. Seeing you gel well with her friends and being liked is a huge brownie point in your favor. This puts you a bit deeper into the trust circle. So, stay cool and give priority even to her friends. But remember, the most priority should be given only to her. Number 3. Maintain mystery. And what if you gave her all the details on your first date? You speak about all your happy moments and adventures all at once. When you explain to her completely who you are, and give her every minute detail of yours on your first date, do you even think that woman is going to show up on the second date? Not at all. Always keep a bit of mystery around your personality. This keeps her hooked and encourages her to keep unraveling the layers of your persona. This very quality is really very necessary on all your date. This is what maintains the charm in her wanting to meet you more. Maintaining mystery is the key in making a woman constantly think about you. Leaving her clueless is what makes you think about you. As I said, in order to make a woman fall for you in the easiest way possible is just by making her think about you even when you are not around. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.